What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the can't receive text messages issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all make sure you are getting good signals. So if your signal strength is weak, then move to an area where you can get the good signals of your network. But after getting good signals, if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon. Now click on restart and then again click on this restart icon to confirm. And after restarting, it will fix your issue. But if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is take out the SIM and reinsert it. And after reinserting the SIM card, your phone will start receiving text messages. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is reset network settings. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here click on reset mobile network settings and then again click on reset settings to confirm. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. So after doing this, you will start receiving text messages. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.